I will show you how to make animated cartoon videos like this one.
Hey Jake, did you finish your homework?
Hey Lily, not yet. I was just about to start. What about you?
I finished mine right after school.
Kids love these cartoons because they are funny, educational, and entertaining. Many YouTube creators use videos like these to get millions of views and make money. You can easily create everything you need for the video, like the script, voiceover, and cartoon characters, using AI. So let's get started. First, we need a script. You can get a script written on any topic. Go to ChatGPT and type "conversation between two children about study and games." Then press enter. ChatGPT has written the script. Copy the script and paste it into Notepad or Google Docs. After the script, we need a voiceover. Then, go to the browser and type 11 Labs. After signing up, this is the home page of 11 Labs. Click on Voices, go to the library, then click Filters on the right side. You can choose the category, gender, age, language, and accent. There are many voices shown here. You can use the voice that matches your character. Choose a voice, then go back to Google Docs, copy Lily's dialogue, and paste it here. Then click Generate Voice. After generating the voice, you can easily download it. Now, follow the same process for Jack's dialogue and continue one by one. I have generated all the voices. Now we need to create our cartoon characters. For this, go to Google and type Adobe Express Animate for audio. Click on the first website. After signing up, click Start Now. You will see multiple characters. Choose a category and select characters. After selecting the characters, change the background to green and adjust the size. We can now either record voice or upload voice. Click Browse and upload the voice. And wait for generating. After this, click on the download. See the result.
Hey Jake, did you finish your homework? I finished mine right after school.
After downloading the video, follow the same process for the second character. Now, both of our characters are ready. Next, we need a background. For this, we will go to Canva. After sign up, click on Videos and choose the video background. Now, click on Elements. Then in the search bar, type Park. Browse through the available park backgrounds. Choose a background that fits your scene. Adjust the image, then search for animated plant. Select the plants and place them where they look good in the scene. After adding multiple plants and flowers, type butterfly in the search bar. Select a butterfly and place it on the flowers. To animate the butterfly, click on Animation. Create an animation. Drag the butterfly to the point where you want it to fly. This will animate the butterfly moving across the scene. Next, type Cloud Animation in the search bar. Browse through the available cloud animations. Select one that fits your scene, add it to your design, and adjust its placement. Next, search for birds flying in the search bar. Browse through the available flying bird animations. Select one that fits your scene and adjust the placement. To animate the bee, select the bee. Click on Animation. Create an animation for the bee. Drag the bee to the point where you want it to fly. This will animate the bee moving across the scene. Our scene is almost complete. You can now create the next scene related to your script. To increase the video length, right-click on the current scene and press Duplicate Scene. After completing the editing, download the video. Now, let's start editing. For this, we'll use the free video editing tool CapCut. Open CapCut and import all your assets to begin editing. Drag all the assets into the timeline and adjust the background and characters. Make sure everything is positioned correctly for your animation to look smooth and cohesive. Now let's remove the background from these videos. Click on Remove BG and turn on the chroma key. The green background will be removed. Change the ratio to 16:9 and adjust the size of the characters to fit the new aspect ratio. Make sure the characters are properly scaled and positioned within the frame. The same process for the second character. After adjusting both characters, we need to adjust the dialogue. When one character is speaking, the other should be silent. For this, we need silent videos of both characters. Go back to Adobe Express and select the character. Upload a silent voice or record a silent video by turning on the recording and staying silent. Download the video and go back to CapCut. Adjust all the video clips and the video is almost complete. You can export the video at this point, but since we want the characters to walk in the beginning, we'll use an AI tool called Kling AI. Open the video with the green screen that you downloaded and take a screenshot of the character. Repeat the same process for the second character. After this, go to Google and type klingai.com. Sign up and open the tool. Here we can see 3 options: AI image, AI video, and video editor. We need AI video, so click on AI video. Select the image to video option. Upload the image and write the prompt, "boy walking very fast." Then click generate and wait for the video to be generated. After generating the video, then download video. After this, repeat the same process for the second character. Go back to CapCut and import both videos. Drag the videos into the timeline and adjust the start of the videos to ensure they align properly with your scene and ensure that both characters walk in as intended. Now, remove the backgrounds for both characters and adjust their positions to ensure they are in the same place in the scene. Now we need to animate the characters. Move each character to the point where you want them to start walking and place them there. Set a keyframe at this point. Then, drag the character to the point where you want them to stop and set another keyframe. Keyframes will automatically be applied to create the walking animation. Now you can see that both of our characters are walking smoothly. The final step is adding music. Now, let's add bird chirping sound effects. Click on Sound Effects and type bird chirping in the search bar. Choose a sound effect that fits your scene. Drag the sound effect onto the timeline and extend it to cover the entire video. Now your video should have a fitting background sound completing the animation. And click on Export. From here, you can choose to export the video in 4K. Then click on Export to finalize your video. Wait for the video to finish exporting. Once it's done, click Open Folder, then open the video to see the result.
Hey Jake, did you finish your homework?
Hey, Lily. Not yet. I was just about to start. What about you?
I finished mine right after school. My mom always says it's better to get it done early so we have more time to play later.
That's smart. But I just got this new video game and it's so hard to stop playing.
I know the feeling. I love playing games too, but if I don't finish my homework, my parents don't let me play at all.
Yeah, my parents are the same. It's just that sometimes the games are more fun than the homework.
True, but think about it this way. If we get our homework done first, we won't have to worry about it later. We can play without any interruptions.
That's a good point. Plus, if I get good grades, my parents might let me get new games more often.
Exactly. And sometimes studying can be fun too, especially when we learn something interesting.
I guess you're right. Maybe we can make a deal. How about we finish our homework together and then play games?
That sounds like a great idea. We can help each other with the homework, and then it's game time.
Perfect. Let's start now so we can have more time to play later.
All right, let's get to work. Homework first, then games.
This is really amazing, and I think kids are going to love it. You can create your own animated cartoon video in just a few easy steps. Go ahead and make some fun videos to share online. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more exciting and creative content. Thanks for watching.